Hello, what's up peeps, this is the Geek Artist, and on today's tutorial I'll be sharing this amazingly simple and easy trick that'll help you color your digital drawings like a pro. So don't forget to like and share this video and watch this video till the end, and if you're new to my channel, definitely make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Now the reason why this technique is so amazing is because of how simple and easy it is, and how easy it is to ignore and miss it. And all it takes is going just one extra step to enhance a mediocre art into a pro level artwork. And this tutorial is all about that one simple step. Now I'll demonstrate what I mean here with a very simple example. As you all know by now, I like using basic shapes to explain such fundamentals of art, as they're easier to understand for beginners. So I'm going to start off with a sphere. I'm going to create a circle and then shade it, add some shadow and then some highlight. Now a lot of artists will leave it right there because it looks complete, but there's still so much that you can do to it, just one easy step to take it to a whole new level. Having said that, now what I want you to pay attention to are the areas of transition, the transition of the shadow color to the base color and the transition of the light color to the base color. These transitions are what we ignore and sort of take for granted. There's more to be done here than just mixing in the shadows and the light smoothly. All we need to do now to take this to the new level is introduce two secondary colors. The three primary colors we have right now are the base color of the circle, which is orange, then the light color, and finally the shadow color. You can go one extra step now by adding two secondary colors in the transitioning areas that are almost completely independent of these three primary colors. Let me demonstrate it with a fresh start. I'll create a new orange circle, paint some shadow and then some light. Once we have the primaries down, it's time to introduce the secondary colors in the transition areas. For the light area, I'll use a bright yellow color that's slightly darker than the light color. And for the shadow area, I'll be using a dark red that's brighter than the shadow color. Next, I'll blend the colors until they look smooth. Comparing the two spheres side by side, you can clearly see the difference that this technique makes to the way the second sphere looks. It's a lot more vibrant and appealing to look at. This is something that also happens in real life and is called subsurface scattering. It's most noticeable when bright light falls on human skin. The light doesn't abruptly change into the skin color. It gradually transitions to the skin color through a secondary color. This happens due to the translucent depth and textured volume of the skin. The same principle can be applied to your artworks to create more vibrant and professional looking outputs. I'll show one more example of this technique applied on human face. Here's an illustration of a face with just three primary colors for the base tone, shadows, and light. And here's the same face after using some secondary colors in the transition areas. The difference in quality is very apparent. I hope you learned something new from this tutorial, and yeah, definitely try applying this technique to your artworks to see the difference. It's a simple, easy trick that can be nailed in just one step. So if you found this video useful, make sure to like and share the video, subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications of my upcoming videos, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or video suggestions. Thank you for watching this video. Your engagement and support is greatly appreciated. So that's it for now. See you on the next one. Peace.